Hey guys, welcome to today's unboxing. Today we'll be looking at the Gemini cable from Stylepie. This video is sponsored by Stylepie as they supplied me with the Gemini cable kit, and this kit itself is the ultimate connectivity kit which includes all the additional cables which you will need. This is a seamless dual charging cable with versatile cable modes. But before we get into it, let's talk about the unboxing. The packaging has a real premium feel and look to it. Inside we have the fast charging Gemini cable with the smart dual charging hub. For the specs of the cable, Stylepie's Gemini cable is powered by their Gemini engine inside the smart charging hub. This switch helps charge both devices simultaneously when plugged in. Stylepie provided me with a Gemini Ultra kit that we have here, which comes with the following. 2 iPhone lightning cables. One is a 15 centimeter 30 watt and the other is a 1.5 meter 30 watt cable as well. We also have a USB-C pack. One is a 15 centimeter 240 watt charging and the other is a 1.5 meter with also a 240 watt charger. The Ultra pack comes with a Apple smartwatch charger. Obviously it comes with the main cable, which is the Gemini cable, and that has the Gemini engine inside that does 100 watt USB-C to USB-C and is a 1.5 meter cable. This is obviously dependent on the cable you're using. So if you're using an iPhone cable, it'll only do 30 watts on the iPhone cable and then 100 watts on the USB-C cable. The USB-C cable in the Ultra kit does data transfers at 480 megabytes per second. This is not supported though on the Gemini engine hub. You'll have to use the USB-C cable for USB-C transfers only. The max power is a 5 watt for the Apple smartwatch, 30 watt for the lightning charger of the iPhones, 100 watt for the main charger, and 240 watt for the USB-C cables. The input voltage is between 5 to 15 volt, 5 to 20 volt, and 5 to 48 volt. This is dependent on the power brick you use, so keep in mind if your power brick supports the high charging, it will provide with that max voltage. The Gemini cable has a 2-in-1 switching mode, basically charging 2 devices from one port. It can charge either a device or power it, and for example, let's talk about 2 phones. You can charge both those phones at 50% each, or you can charge one device at 80% and the other at 20%, such as your MacBook or your iPhone simultaneously. It can also do 2 Android devices at 50% capacity. All cables can be used independently. Let's focus on the build of the product. The Gemini engine is encased in an aluminium alloy shell for best protection. The cable heads are also encased in an aluminium alloy shell, which also provides protection and is very durable. The cables themselves are covered in a 5mm silicone coating, which helps with durability and protects the cable. The silicone coating is a non-toxic insulation. Something I noticed about the cable is that it's extremely strong and durable. Alright, getting into my general notes about the product. I was surprised to find out that the cable supports data transfers on both the USB-C and the lightning cables independently though of the hub. It also supports a variety of different products such as a VR headset, eGPUs, and other monitors as well. In conclusion, overall, this is definitely a premium product, which is amazing as it is a startup project and is on Kickstarter. Check out the link in the bio to see the Kickstarter page for the specific product where you can get your own Gemini kit. And as always, until next time.